We are coming to you. You can now pick up e-Resident digital identity card from São Paulo, Bangkok, Johannesburg or Singapore. E-Residency has been empowering location-free entrepreneurs and freelancers for over 7 years. With this e-Resident digital identity card, you can launch a company from European Union and run it completely online and without any administrative burden. Just apply online and pick up your card in any of our new pickup locations. E-Residency is expanding. At this difficult time of global travel restrictions, we are coming to you. So you could also expand your business across the borders and do your business completely online. With e-Residency digital identity card, you can join a global community of like-minded entrepreneurs and launch and run your company from European Union 100% online with no bureaucracy and affordably. Check out our new pickup points located now in São Paulo, Bangkok, Singapore and Johannesburg.